if we want to find integral of 5x squared minus 15x plus 8 divided by x over x minus 2 squared dx, we'll do the following. We'll look at our fraction, 5x squared minus 15x plus 8. We'll look at our fraction expression. I'm going to rewrite it. Because we have x in the denominator, we want to get over x. Because we have x minus 2 squared, we want to get x minus 2 and x minus 2 squared. And we put the letters A, B, and C on top. Now, in order to find A, B, and C, we've multiplied by common denominator, which is denominator fraction over right. So we're going to multiply left and right by x times x minus 2 squared. So we're going to get 5x squared minus 15x plus 8 equals a times x minus 2 squared plus b times x minus 2 plus c times x. Now we need to, because we have three unknown, a, b, and c, we need to come up with three equations. So we're going to choose three values for x. First value that you want to choose is x equals 0. So if you substitute x equals to 0, then on the left side you're going to get 5 times 0 minus 15 times 0 plus 8. So 0 squared plus 15 times 0 plus 8 equals to a times negative 2 squared plus b times 0 plus c times 0. So we're going to get 4a equals to 8, and we conclude that a equals to 2. So get 1. Now, because we have expression x minus 2 squared, it makes sense to substitute x equals to 2. So we substitute x equals to 2, we're going to get 5 times 2 squared minus 15 times 2 plus 8. That is expression on the left. Expression on the right becomes a times 0 squared plus b times 0 plus c times 2. So we calculate expression on the left. 20 minus 30 plus 8, 2. So negative 2 equals to c times 2. So we conclude that c equals to negative 1. And to pick one more value for x. One of the easiest one, we're going to pick x equals to 1. So if we choose x equals to 1, we're going to get on the left side 5 times 1 minus 15 times 1 plus 8 times negative 1 squared plus b times negative 1 plus c times 1. Now we recall that a is 2. So 2 times 1 squared. B equals 2. We don't know what b is. C equals to negative 1. On the left side, we're going to get 5 minus 15 plus 8. So we're going to get negative 2. So we're going to get negative b plus 1 equals to negative 2. So negative b equals to negative 3. So b equals to 3. So what we got is a equals to 2, b equals to 3, c equals to negative 1. We're going to substitute that into our expression right here. So let me rewrite it so it will be visible. So what we got is 5 squared minus 15x plus 8 divided by x times x minus 2 squared equals to a is 2 over x, b is 3 over x minus 2, minus c is -1, so minus 1 over x minus 2 squared. Now, if I want to integrate left side, it's the same as the integral over right side. And the integral on the right side is not difficult to find. So we're going to get the final answer 2 natural log of x plus 3 natural log of x minus 2. Switch to negative exponent to find the derivative over x minus 2 to a -2. So we're going to get 1 over x minus 2 plus c. That's going to be our final answer for this problem. If we want to find integral of x cubed minus 4x squared plus 10x minus 9 divided by x squared minus x plus 2x. In this example, we have to be a little bit more careful. In the two previous examples which we did, we had our rational expression, which is px over qx px. And in both examples which we did so far, we had the power of degree of numerator was less than degree of denominator. So we can work with proper rational expressions. In the case we're working on right now, we have power of numerator is bigger than power of denominator. So what we want to do is and start with long division. So we start with long division. So we start with x cubed minus 4x squared plus x minus 9. And we want to divide by x squared minus 3x plus 2. To do the long division, relating coefficients. So we have x squared and you want to get x cubed. So from x squared to get 2x cubed, we need to multiply by x. So multiply the whole expression by x. So we're going to get x cubed minus 3x squared plus 2x. And you can just subtract. So we're going to get x cubed minus x cubed is 0, minus 4x squared plus 3x squared. So we're going to get negative x squared, 10x minus 2x, 8x minus 9. Now, from x squared, you want to get negative x squared, so we need to multiply x squared by -1. So we're going to get negative x squared, negative 3x by -1, 3x, positive. 2 by minus 1 is -2. We're going to subtract. Negative x squared minus x squared is 0. 8x minus 3x is 5x. Negative 9 plus 2 is minus 7. So what you've got is rational expression x cubed minus 4x squared plus 10x minus 9 divided by x squared minus 3x plus 2 is going to be equal to the quotient, which is x minus 1, plus remainder, which is 5x minus 7, and we divide remainder by x squared minus 3x plus 2. Okay. Now recall that we have to integrate the left side, right side. X minus 1 is easy to integrate. We need to take care of 5x minus 7 divided by x squared minus 3x plus 2. To develop the integration of that expression, we need to find fractional decomposition of that more complicated looking expression. So we're going to write down 5x minus 7 divided by x squared minus 3x plus 2. Going to factor the denominator. So product is 2, sum is -3, so it's x minus 2 and x minus 1. So we can write it as a over x minus 1 plus b over x minus 2. Multiply both sides by x minus 2 times x minus 1. So we're going to get 5x minus 7 equal to a times x minus 2 plus b times x minus 1. So we're going to choose two values for x because we have two unknowns. Because we have expression with x minus 1, we choose x equals to 1. And we have x minus 2, so we're going to choose x equals to 2. So if you substitute x equals to 1 to the left side, I'm going to get 5 minus 7. 7 equals to -2. And on the right, I'm going to get 8 times 1 minus 2, 8 times minus 1, plus b times 0. So I'm going to get -2 equals to -a, so a equals to 2. Now, if I substitute 2 for x, I'm going to get on the right side 10 minus 7 equals 2 minus 2 is 0, so 8 times 0 plus b. So I conclude that b is supposed to be equal to 3. So I substitute a equals to 2 and b equals to 3 into our expression here. And that expression will be substituted down there. So what we've got finally, down. So we've got that our rational expression x cubed plus 4x squared plus 10x minus 9 divided by x squared minus 3x plus 2 equals to x minus 1. That's what we got after long division, plus 2 over x minus 1 plus 3 over x minus 2. That's what we've got fractional decomposition. Now we're going to integrate the left side. And integral of left side is going to be equal to integral of right side. And integral of right side is not too difficult to find. So we're going to get x squared over 2 minus x plus 2 natural log of x minus 1 plus 3 natural log of x minus 2 some constant. That is going to be our answer.